A light probe is a device which gives out a sound where the pitch of a sound is proportional to light intensity. Here we demonstrate the version we have at New College Worcester. Other versions are available from facilities such as the RNIB. Having turned it on, you'll hear that the pitch gets louder as the light level gets higher. So if it's pointed up to the ceiling light, we hear the higher pitch. This has many uses. It can be used by students to tell whether the light bulb is on or off, or how bright that bulb is.
It goes lower pitch, that indicates that the light is off.
It can be used to measure the level of liquid in a measuring cylinder, particularly if you've added a bit of food colouring to the water in an experiment. It can also be used in experiments to measure the time of the swing of a pendulum, where you get an auditory signal showing how the swing is changing. And it can be used in an area which causes a lot of issues for students, that of light and optics. In this instance, we get a ray of light shining across the drawing film. We can then use the light probe to scan across the ray and find the position of the light. We can then use a pen to mark a cross on the paper, repeating the process several times. You can then join up the marks with a ruler to reveal the pattern of a ray. Here, the light bounces off the mirror and the student can find where the ray of light comes from and trace the ray's path. They may need a bit of guidance to find that point. A light probe can also be used for experiments involving refraction or the use of lenses. Here we have 3 rays giving 3 individual signals. When the rays come to focus, there will just be 1 signal, which will then branch out again to give 3 signals. A student can measure the focal length of a lens by measuring where the lens is, marking with a point where the rays come into focus, and then measuring the distance between them.
If you'd like more information about how to support a visually impaired student, we hold free events throughout the year to mainstream professionals. These events offer practical support and advice on how you can include visually impaired students in your lessons. They are suitable for teachers, TAs and parents of a visually impaired student. These events are run throughout the academic year, with dates and booking available from our website.